Ooh, a lot colder today. When I shut down, it was 65, getting chilly. Let's get this beast warming up. Okay, what do we got? What do we got? Got a 1944. Hell of a deal for we're in the middle of a snowstorm. Hopefully it's gone by the time I get there. Move away, little snowstorm. Move away. Keep moving on east. They like that stuff. Oh, I'm gonna get hate mail. Love you guys on the East Coast. I really do, because I have no desire in a truck to go to the East Coast. Honestly, in a car most of the time either. Everything gets cramped when you go east, and I just don't like it. Alright, we got some trash to throw away before we hit the road. Get rid of all this trash. I accumulated this in like 2 days. By the way, if I look a little chunky today, because I have layers on, like literally layers, and make my chest tight. It was loose last night. You can see it on the ass shots when I turn around. Okay, we need to get our asses out of here. Got our bum warmers on, our cyclic back massager. We're living the high life. Come, bunny, hop to the cone. One thing I'm looking at, seeing that it's starting to rain and my indicator says it's 30 degrees. So one thing I'm looking at is the back side of my mirror. If you're ever curious if it's icing up, reach out and touch the back side of your mirror. That has turned to ice, so this precipitation that's falling is freezing at this point. That's a little trick. If you're ever curious if it's starting to ice up or not, check your mirror. Yeah, honestly, because it's starting to ice up, and people are not wanting to slow down. I typically like that center lane because with all the people merging, it kind of keeps you out of the way. However, with me going so slow and everybody else flying past, I'm gonna hug the granny lane here and start shutting it down a little bit because it's not gonna take long before this road turns to shit. Snow I can handle. It's the ice that is treacherous because there's nothing you can do on the ice. I mean, on the ice, you lose your steering, you lose your brakes, you lose all control of your vehicle. At least in the snow, in many cases, just slow it down, have a little weight to you, use your differentials, you can get some traction, blah, blah, blah. But God, there's ice, there's nothing you can do. I mean, it's just, you wipe out, that's it. So only thing you can do is shut it down ahead of time. Best decision you can do on the ice. I've done that a time or two. As a matter of fact, I was coming southbound on 49, same highway as this, but it was up in Omaha, south of Omaha. Just went into the Missouri area, just before the Missouri Welcome Center. I noticed, did the mirror truck and noticed it was icing up and it was raining. So I slowed it way down. Flashers, I'm down to 15 miles an hour on the interstate. People flying past me full speed, and I decided to go ahead and shut it down at the rest area, which is like a mile ahead. Smartest choice. Scariest ride that last mile. Smartest choice that I made. Of course, the other drivers saying, why the hell are you shutting it down? You're scared, you know. You're just timid. You're too timid to drive. You can't take it as a, you know. I don't know. They kind of put you down sometimes as a truck driver because you play it safe. Well, let me tell you what happened a few minutes after I pulled over into that rest area. Sirens. So our trucks, not RTI, previous company, but the other drivers who are always giving me hell about shutting down in bad weather and not being brave enough to face it. One of those trucks jackknifed, went into the opposite lane, went head on with the vehicle and killed an entire family. So I'm very proud of the fact that I have shut down loads on many occasions, played it safe, and up to this point, I haven't had any at-fault accident in 10 years of truck driving. And the only incident I had was 6 months into my career. I was backing in a parking lot and clipped a container, just barely, with my fender. That's all I had. After that, 10 solid years, not a thing. It pays to be safe. It pays to shut it down. It's not worth it. What's it gonna do to you? Especially on the ice. Not a damn thing you can do on the ice. Oh, I'm brave, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, you can be brave facing your deathbed. I mean, that's all there is to it. You can be brave while you die and kill somebody else with you. It has nothing to do with being brave. It's being stupid. Like I said, it's no different story. I mean, we've got a pretty good glaze of ice on this mirror, and it is really coming down. I'm surprised people are not slowing down. It's like we're about to drive out of the freezing rain and get back to the snow. I would rather deal with that than ice. That's another sign. When you see vehicles coming southbound that are just covered in snow and you're going north, you know you're about to get into some shit. You know, I don't want to drive in bad weather. I really don't. But I gotta say, that's one of the things that makes truck driving exciting. Because just last night at delivery, it was 78 degrees. 78. Felt like summer down Little Rock. Wake up this morning, it's 44. It's already a drop. Not even 60 miles down the road. Temps drop by 20 degrees. And they're in the low 20s. And it's snow. It's like always something different. That's one of the things that I like. It's always something different. Get to see a little bit of everything. And I think what makes that so cool to me is you feel more connected with the world around you. You feel more connected with the country because something goes on the East Coast or the West Coast. And it's like, yep, I know how that is. I've been there. I've seen it. Hey, I've crossed that mile marker. I don't know. You just feel more connected with the world. Like you're out and about. You see things. You learn things. God knows you have enough time on the road to devour audiobooks and learn a lot of things. The truck driver. It's like the wise scholar of the highway. They're like the scholars of society. Dude, are you serious? I got nowhere to go. God damn it, motherfucker. What do you expect would happen, dumb?
Your destination is on the left.
Oh, well, this sucks. So apparently there's no parking because everybody else has been playing it safe and shut down. It's like they're thrilled about it. Yeah, there's just nowhere for me to go because I'm going to be right in the way of the trucks trying to get in and out. So we're going to have to go hit the shoulder of the highway and hope somebody doesn't slide into us. That is literally my only option right now. And earlier, could have shut down, except we had a lane clear until some dumb cut me off. Nice turn signal, bud. I gotta turn wide. Yeah, go ahead, run in the ditch. Guy almost flat out went in the ditch because I was pinched on a light pole to the right, and that dumb had no turn signal, whips in there, and doesn't know a semi has to turn wide. I'm telling you, this is equally as much as the snow and ice. That right there is why I'm shutting down. On the upside, there shouldn't be any more snow coming down. Upside of the ramp, it makes us a little bit safer. This is literally the best I can do. And I guarantee you, no matter what company you work for, your safety department's going to say, under no exception, never pull over onto the side of the shoulder of the highway. It's that or continue down the highway and get hit or wipe out. So, no, this is our best choice.